Hello and welcome. This is a little project that I've undertaken recently in order to produce what I consider a mobile tripod. It sounds a contradiction, but this is a process whereby I can move this anywhere within the vicinity of the studio to be able to get a position of the camera that suits the shot I want to take within that studio context. What I've used is an IFOOTAGE ball head base and an IFOOTAGE Komodo fluid head. Adding these together and then adding these counterweights here. If you look down here, I've placed on each leg these counterweights, which are counterweights that are usually used on rigs and jigs to provide a balance in some way. And by just screwing these to the base, it's created an extremely what I would consider an extremely stable platform. As you can see, I'm able to move this around quite freely without any problem of worrying about it tipping over. It will pan and tilt in all the conventional way, and it actually means there's a great deal of confidence in its ability to do that. There's quite a bit of weight in here. I've got this 24-105 lens. I've got a small rig cage. I've got the Blackmagic 4K camera. I've got a Shinobi up here, Atmos, and so you can see there's a fair bit of weight on this particular configuration. And I find it very useful. And in order to just move it, you simply, with the right amount of muscle power, move it from any location you want. You can use a convenient table. And in this particular case, I can raise and lower this table. So if you've got one of these tables that you can raise and lower, you can orientate it vertically if you wish to do so. And I find it extremely flexible. So that's basically what I've done. I hope it's been useful. I'm finding this very useful. I can place this anywhere in the room, and I'm able to set it up in such a way that there's no overhead. I mean, if you use tripods at any great frequency, you'll realize it's like working with demented bagpipes. You've got the flaying of the legs all over the place. Some of them are heavy, some of them are light, depending upon the model that you get. But I find this actual sort of low footprint, as it were, is very, very suitable and useful. I don't want to say anything more than that. I can't think of anything else. It's very simple. I'll put a link to all the components here for you to look at if you wish to do so. It certainly is an option on any of these monopods with small legs to actually give them a little bit more stability. I find that basically the monopods with small legs, unless you're very low from the ground, you know, the top of that sort of the configuration, unless it's very low, it's very unstable, and I wouldn't trust expensive equipment on the end of that. This I'm quite happy to place anywhere, providing there's the space, the horizontal space to place it. It's pretty stable. So thanks for staying to the end. I hope that's been useful, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next video, and you take care in the meantime. Bye for now.